guys, so right now we're at the Kukup jetty. We just need to walk over to our hotel. So right now we're just gonna get our lunch here, and after that we're gonna take it back to the hotel and eat it there. So they're all carrying the fish back to the truck now. So these are all fish. All of this, and this as well. So we need to go through this small road, and there are a lot of villages and houses here, and our hotel is right to the very end of this bridge. So we just need to follow that motorbike and he'll take us to our hotel. Alright guys, so we're almost here. I think it's just right there now. Alright guys, we're here. So over there, that will be the hotel. So it's right at the edge, and right now there should be a bridge here that connects this bridge to the hotel over there. We'll be staying in a hotel called the Xiang Holiday Home, and yeah, the view's quite nice. I think there's a lot of places you can see as well. So that's Kukup over there, and I think over here is you might be able to see Indonesia and Malaysia and Singapore. So this is our room here, and it's directly facing the sea, and we can also see Kukup over there as well. Guys, we caught a fish. So we just caught this fish, and later when we catch more, then we're just gonna pour all of them back into the water again. Okay. Guys, we caught a crab in here. Look, that's the crab here. Right, so there's two, I think, catfish in here and one crab. So after a while, just in 5 minutes, we're just going to go over to that fishing place, and since it's low tide, we can just pour it down, because if we pour it down here, then they'll die probably. So we'll just pour it down over there, and then there's also some water in this bucket. But there are loads of crabs here. There's probably like, I don't know, like millions of crabs around this entire beach. So now I'm gonna take these fish. There's 2 fish and 1 crab, and we're just gonna go over to that fishing place. And I'm not sure how we're gonna cross over. These are all clams, so maybe just go around over here. Now, I think I'm gonna have to cross this bridge here. Whoa. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Oh! Alright. Okay. So this is where they would catch the fish. I think there has to be like a net here. Those are like fishing boats. And that's Kukup right over there. And I think that might be Indonesia, but I'm not really sure. Whoa! The tide is rising. I think the tide is rising a lot. This whole place might be flooded. Whoa! This used to just be like on mud. Soon the whole place will be just flooded with water. Wow. So the sun is set and it's quite windy. I've just finished flying my drone and also doing the time lapse. And over here, the fishermen are, I think they're coming back soon. And over here, I think around 7 p.m. So in a few minutes, maybe in about half an hour, the tide will start to come back in. Overall, it's quite peaceful here, and the view is really good. Like the sunrise and sunset, they're really good, and all the colors in the sky as well. So this is the fishing deck. It used to be all water here, but now the tide, and yeah, some fishermen are going out as well. I'm not sure what like the fishing schedules are. The sun sets over here, and I think in the morning it's gonna rise over there. These are like the small villages, and around here, these are all sugarcane plantations. And over here are also these banana trees, and these big ones right over here, they're all durian trees. Alright, so now we're at Tanjong Pi, which is about 10 km from Kukup. So we just decided to make a pit stop here, and just to look at the scenery and stuff. So right over here is like a village, and in front of there, that's a resort.